In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, creating a social media post, or designing an invitation, knowing how to add and style text can make all the difference in bringing your ideas to life. So let's jump right in and explore how to use Canva's simple but powerful text tools. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you haven't already created a design, start a new one from the Canva homepage. You can choose from hundreds of templates for any type of project, from Instagram posts to business flyers or YouTube thumbnails. Once your design is open, we're ready to add some text. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several icons. Look for the one labeled text and click on it. This will open Canva's text panel, where you'll find a variety of pre-made text styles and templates. Canva makes this incredibly easy to use, so even if you're a beginner, you'll get the hang of it right away. Now, you'll notice three main text options: add a heading, add a subheading, and add a little bit of body text. Each one is designed for a different purpose, depending on how you want your message to appear. But for this tutorial, let's focus on adding a text box. Click on the Add a Text Box button. As soon as you do, a text box will appear right in the middle of your design canvas. It comes with a default font, size, and color. But don't worry, you can easily change all of that. Simply click inside the text box and start typing your message. You can add anything from a title or slogan to a quote or short description. Once you've entered your text, look above your design at the toolbar. This is where the real fun begins. You can change the font style, adjust the size, modify the color, and even experiment with alignment or spacing. Canva also lets you add effects like shadows, outlines, or glowing text to make your words pop off the screen. Here's a quick tip. Think about visual hierarchy. If there's a word or phrase you want people to notice first, try using a larger font size or a bold color to draw attention. Canva's flexible tools make it easy to play around until everything looks just right. Another thing you'll love about Canva is how easy it is to move and arrange your text boxes. Just click and drag the box anywhere on your design. You'll even see alignment guides appear, helping you keep everything perfectly balanced and professional. Once your text looks good, take a moment to preview your design. Make sure your words are readable, well-placed, and complement the rest of your visual elements. Little adjustments here can really elevate the overall look. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a text box in Canva. With just a few clicks, you can transform a simple design into something eye-catching and meaningful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for quicker Canva tips. Keep experimenting with different fonts and styles, and most importantly, have fun creating. Thanks for watching and happy designing.